if you have not implemented your manufacturing model, I have this really scary notion that you're using cycle counts.
Yes, ma'am.
That's ugly.
Yes. Yeah, so my challenge is there's a few of us in the business that know and see why it's ugly, and we know the work that goes into handling it properly, or as best as we can. But we also know that we're putting ourselves at a huge disadvantage because of that. The challenge for me is getting the support from the rest of my team to move forward and probably change up some roles a little bit, introduce this module, and realize the benefits. What could you offer me?
So what is your role in the company?
I am the process improvement leader.
Great. You're a much better position than accounting is.
Yes.
But I imagine accounting's screaming by now.
Yep, finance and I spent a lot of time together talking about this, wondering when and how we're going to be able to push this through, this improvement effort.
If it's doing, I'm going to throw out a bunch of different things, but if it's doing what I think it's doing to financials, I would expect that upper management would want stable financials sometime soon.
Because there's not clear visibility the way that we're doing it with cycle counts.
I'm a real stickler for limiting the ability of people to create inventory adjustments. You probably have too big an organization just to take away their permissions.
Or at least we're too comfortable with what we're doing to just tomorrow say, okay, everybody stop.
Yeah, and the question is whether or not you really need them, or we do what I suggested on the PO. We could even do what I suggested on add inventory and have the adjustment account pointed at the clearing account, so it's no longer hitting your P&L.
Thank you so much.